Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech tip. Today, we're diving into Google Sheets, specifically tackling that pesky dollar sign that shows up in your formulas. If you're working with spreadsheets and keep seeing those dollar symbols locking your cell references, you're in the right place. This is especially relevant for 2025 updates, where Google Sheets has some streamlined features to make your life easier. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get rid of those dollar signs and make your formulas more flexible. Let's jump right in. First off, a quick refresher. In Google Sheets, the dollar sign turns a cell reference into an absolute reference. For example, $1 means that cell won't change when you copy the formula elsewhere. But sometimes, you want relative references for dynamic calculations. So, how do we remove it? Step 1. Open your Google Sheet and locate the cell with the formula. Double-click on it to enter edit mode. You'll see the formula in the formula bar at the top. Step 2. Identify the dollar signs in your formula. For instance, if you have equals sum, $1, $10, those dollar symbols are what we need to remove. Simply click into the formula and delete the dollar signs manually. Change it to equals sum, A1, A10, for a relative reference. Easy, right? But if you have a lot of formulas, doing this one by one can be tedious. That's where step 3 comes in. Use the Find and Replace feature for bulk editing. Go to Edit, Find and Replace, or use Ctrl+H on your keyboard. In the Find field, enter $, or whatever your specific reference is, and in the Replace with field, put a without the dollar sign. Make sure to select the sheet or range you want to update, then hit Replace All. This will clean up multiple instances at once. One more tip. After removing the dollar signs, test your formula by dragging it across cells to ensure it behaves as expected. If you're dealing with complex sheets, remember that Google Sheets 2025 updates include better error checking, so keep an eye out for any warnings. There you have it, you've now mastered getting rid of dollar signs in Google Sheets. This simple tweak can save you tons of time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.